Welcome to Gooseberry Science and Education videos.
Today we're diving into the amazing world of essential oils. We're going to be pulling out the key ideas from the book Essential Oils by the brilliant folks at Neal's Yard Remedies. We'll explore aromatherapy and, how these super powerful plant essences can fit into our everyday lives. So, let's get right into it.
So here's our game plan. First up, we'll cover what essential oils actually are. Then we'll get into the cool science of how scent messes with our brains in a good way. After that, a super important section on how to use them safely. Then we'll look at all the ways they can help us out, and we'll wrap things up with some fun ideas for creating your own little spa retreat at home.
All right, so when we talk about essential oils, what are we actually talking about? What's really going on inside these tiny little bottles? Let's break it down. Okay, so first things first, these are not just nice-smelling perfumes. Not at all. Essential oils are basically the super concentrated good stuff from plants, and the whole point of aromatherapy is to use those natural plant powers to get our minds and bodies feeling, back in balance.
I mean, just look at where this stuff comes from. We're talking about the life force of beautiful plants like star anise, bright oranges, and fragrant herbs like rosemary. Every single oil holds the unique fingerprint of the plant it came from. But how does that actually do anything to us?
Right, so we've got these powerful plant juices, but how do they work? How does just smelling something create such a big effect? Well, the answer is all about our most powerful and ancient sense, our sense of smell.
This quote from the book just nails it. Think about it for a second. Has a certain smell ever just instantly zapped you back to a memory from when you were a kid? Of course, right? That's because our sense of smell has like a direct hotline to the parts of our brain that handle memory and emotion. It totally skips the logical part and just goes right in.
And here's the crucial part. It's not just about triggering nice memories. The actual chemicals, the molecules in these oils, they set off real physical reactions in your body. That's what holistic really means here. It's not just covering up a problem. It works on your mind and your body at the same time to create harmony.
And hey, this isn't just a vague feeling. There's some solid science here. For example, studies have actually shown that just inhaling rosemary oil can boost your memory by as much as 75%. That's a huge improvement. It's pretty amazing stuff.
Okay, because these oils are so incredibly powerful, we have to talk about safety. This is so important. You've got to remember, we're dealing with really concentrated stuff here, so you have to respect that potency.
So let's run through the absolute must-know rules. 1. Always dilute them in what's called a carrier oil, like almond or jojoba oil, before they touch your skin. 2. Always do a little patch test on your arm first to make sure you don't have a reaction. 3. Different oils have different rules, so check the advice for each one, especially for things like pregnancy. And the big one, folks, never, ever drink them unless a qualified professional is telling you to. Seriously.
Phew, okay, with the serious safety stuff covered, let's get back to the exciting part, how we can use these oils as our own little toolkit for staying healthy and happy.
And the ways you can use them are just endless. You can put them in massage oils to soothe sore muscles, use them in a steam inhalation if you're feeling stuffed up, or mix them into creams and lotions for your skin. They can help with so many common issues, from a grumpy stomach to everyday aches and pains.
And it's really not just about the physical stuff. The effect they can have on our minds is just profound. Let's be real, life is stressful. This is where certain oils can be a total game changer, helping to calm you down when you're anxious, ease that tension in your shoulders, and just generally help you feel more balanced and well.
All right, and for our last stop, let's talk about bringing a little bit of that luxury and self-care right into our own homes. This is where the real pampering begins.
I mean, how incredible is this? And you don't need to go out and buy a bunch of expensive products. With just a few good quality oils, you can basically become your own personal chemist, creating your own custom massage blends, amazing smelling candles, or super nourishing skin creams.
And it's not complicated, I promise. The book shows you how with really simple recipes. Just imagine making your own signature bath oil blend to just melt away the stress of the week, or the perfect moisturizer for your exact skin type. It's all about that personal touch to revive your body and mind.
So, there you have it. From the science of how scent works on our brains to creating your own spa treatments, it's all about tapping into the power of nature. There's so much potential in every single drop, so I guess the only question is, how are you going to start your journey?
If you enjoyed the content, please do us a favor and like and subscribe. We are already busy working on a new topic for you. Thanks for watching.